Good morning. Today I'm going to be hiking about 3.5 miles, checking on a number of my geocaches, and determining the fate on one that I know is missing. So if that sounds like fun to you, come join me. Okay, so the first one is a multi-cache, and there was a tree right here that it was hidden under. I've looked around. It's clearly gone. Been here a good long time, so not sure what I'm going to do with this, except I'll dislabel it now and make a decision later. But now it's time to head up the trail. The third geocache we're going to check on is also a multi. Going to get information off of this sign and then go up the trail. And this is to emphasize the importance of not cutting the switchbacks. Okay, well that one's in good shape. On the way back, we're going to be taking that trail over there. But for now, we got a couple more up this trail. All right, double staircase. The plus coordinates are actually up at the trail junction, but I wanted to bring people down here to this double staircase, which is just an amazing work of rocks. And unfortunately, I have checked thoroughly and it looks like this one is gone. So I'm just going to replace it, and I'm going to put it over here by this one bigger rock, and I think it's going to be safer there. So the trail used to go through there, but it crossed a creek and it was constantly getting washed out. So through a couple months of work and a lot of effort, they rerouted the trail, and we'll take the new section of trail up this way. Well, sometimes a quandary can present an opportunity. In this case, 7 Trail View was a multi based on information off of this sign. When they rerouted the trail, this sign was moved 400 feet. So instead of being just about 127 feet from the geocache, it's now 1/10 of a mile. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and archive that multi, use the same location, and make it a traditional. Give people a chance to come back up here and find something new. 7 Trail View. You can see 7 trails. I'm not going to try and point them out or show them to you, but they're there. And so is the multi. But I've gone ahead and reset it. I'm going to archive it and set a new one that's a traditional. And as we go back down, I have one more that's missing that I need to decide what to do with. So let's head down and get that one. Okay, so I was up here last week. I noticed that this one was gone and missing. Nice little hidey hole there. And I disabled it and trying to decide what to do with it. So what do you think? Should I just replace it and let the cache live on, or should I archive it and refresh the game board? I guess we're going to wait until I get home and find out. Until then, we'll just make sure it's back there. Well, it's been a really good hike. I accomplished everything I wanted to do, checked on all my geocaches, found some that were missing, and I'll take care of those. At this point, I have about a mile to go, but I think I'm just going to tell you, hey, thanks for joining me.